Hello. I hope you can hear me well. Welcome back. I'm starting to do like streams again. It's gonna be like a live stream every Sunday, and it will be one live stream, like trading session during the week. Like we have like also a few new ideas, and I hope you will enjoy stream. Hello, Hannah. Hello. So today we're going to talk about, as always, we're going to talk about like cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about commodities such as gold. I don't know, like if you're interested in silver, I will check silver as well. Indexes and like forex market. We will check like DXI, euro, etc. So yeah. So first of all, don't forget to like, subscribe, like this stream, so like other people will be able to find it. And let's go. So first of all, we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency. As you may know, right now I'm waiting for ETF approval, which is probably gonna happen this week. So my prediction, BTC will have some kind of correction till mid like 30k area, which is like just hide all this drawing and just look at the clear chart. Even on the weekly, we still have like some kind of zones, and we came to this like this order block on the daily time frame. Plus, if you like open like previous years, 2020, this is what happened right here on this side, right? We came to like a zone, and then we had like small correction. It's completely healthy story, and we can open like 3 months time frame and 2 months time frame, and let's see, yeah, 6 months, and yearly as well. As you can see, on the year we have this chart. We had like a correction to like the discount zone, and then we pump in. So no matter what I expect, we will hang out like here for a while, and then have correction till 30, like let's say like 35k. So I'm expecting BTC to test this zone first before going higher. And hello Luna. And I hope we will have it like slowly, like painfully for the next like 2-3 months. It's gonna be like January, like February, and probably like March. We will have like slow pullback on the BTC. If you want, you can screenshot it. We maybe have like something like this before we're going down to grab liquidity from previous highs. But general direction for me is really going down to take all this liquidity here and test this fair value gap on the monthly time frame as well. So this is my prediction for the next like 2-3 months. Probably like we'll do like a small video with my predictions, like short video, and where like I explain everything like shortly. Next one, so about like altcoins. I recorded a video like about our strategy on like by using like Fibonacci strategy. Like as you can see here, you can notice all these preparations that I did. Everything will be in the video, and it will be on the channel in like few days, probably like Thursday. Yeah. how it works, it's basically you making like few DSA like orders, like few orders, so limit orders, and they will be activated when price like drops. Let me show you like an example. Let's take like TM, right, and open like 4 hours and like maybe daily time frame. Daily will be the best, but I prefer to work on like 4 hours. So you're using DFA method. You can set it like this. Is like will be more aggressive, but you can also use this FIB strategy and use this net this way on this like one move. And you have like 2 orders, like 3 orders. First one and this Fibonacci level, 0.5 Fibonacci level, and 0.38. It will be your insurance. You can just adjust it a bit, so you can do like something like this, in case you get like slipped and price like will look further, but in my opinion it's not necessary. And if price like goes down, when we have like some shakeouts like we had like here, your orders will be activated and more likely it will bounce. And as you can see here, it's like bounced pretty hard. Just like by using this strategy, like I and my team, we made them almost like 8%. It's a really nice like strategy because it doesn't require like to sit for the PC 24/7. And in my opinion, it's like one of the best strategies that we have right now for crypto. I mean, like if we're talking about like intraday, because to be frank, just like open big time. So we had like this breakout, this one. We had like this breakout, right? This one, yeah, this one. Like 4% like pump. Ideally, like what should happen? We should like test and like break out on the volume. By the way, it's like good volume here, but it tests, it starts like climbing, and then it's like scammed and went down. So against this, you have 2 options. Just take profit right here, like get like 2-3% and just go out. You can use a high leverage. Or you can set stop limit order on these highs, and this is gonna be like your trade. Not this is not amazing trade, but it is what it is. And as you can see, it doesn't work like well on the crypto this way. That's why I just like go on like 4 hours on daily and trade like breakouts on these time frames. And trust me, you will have better results. Checking indexes with CPI coming out this week. So for this week, I'm not sure like we're gonna go to all-time high again. I'm not sure. So if we had a correction on indexes, if we're talking about like indexes, if we had a correction of this wave, this specific wave, we had correction to like this discount. We're talking about like daily time frame. Yes, we'll go higher. Definitely, we just like if I see like some reverse like pattern here on low time frame, yeah, I will start looking for long position to like at least this fair value gap. Let me mark it so you can see it clearly. Just need to remove all this shit. It looks like especially like in this candle, but it's not a natural candle. Let me see. Yeah, this one. So if I have like a reverse like pattern, this will be my first target. If we nivellate this fair value gap, this one, if I nivellate it, so we have something like this, fuck around here, and we're going higher, so yes, we will go to all-time high. But if we'll open like weekly time frame, we didn't even start correction yet. So correction like for especially Nasdaq will be till this area. So we still have some room to grow. Yes, if it like open a low time frame, especially let's go on 1 hour. It's not that clear here. Like 15 minutes probably will be clear. Yeah, so let's say this one. We have like market shift here. We have test. What I would have done here, I would set buy limit orders on this level, so something like this, and set my stop right here. Not the best trade again, but it's super safe. So, and target will be this fair value gap. Not the best risk reward ratio, but it's super safe, in my opinion. Because if we go higher than this high, more likely we will go like further and reach like 0.5 of this fair value gap, and also we'll be grabbing like all liquidity here, and we probably even can decrease our take and get it like 1-to-1. This is like a trade that I probably will be taking. Again, I will like post it in our Discord. So this is like what I expect for like from Nasdaq. Can like scam and like go lower? Yes, definitely it can. That's why I have to go on like low time frame, like 15 minutes, like 5 minutes, and to wait how it will play. You can also set your buy stop limit order right here. Hello Enrique, hello. This is like gonna be like bet, so the risk reward is like 1 to 2.5, and just like take trade right here if it will go higher than this specific level. We will keep going further to grab all liquidity here. And if we like open some shares such as Apple, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it has same picture. We have fair value gap here. Yes, we have already a break of market structure on like 4 hours for sure, but we have like liquidity here, and we have fair value gap that has to be tested. And most of the time it will be tested, because some shares like of big companies such as Apple, AMD, Microsoft, Tesla, they're very technical, and they follow some rules if you want to say this, of the market. So if I see breakout of this level 182.18, Let me change a little bit. Then yes, we will keep going higher. So keep an eye on Apple here, for example. Let's check AMD. Yeah, AMD already had it. We already have market shift. And if we fail like this level, 135.9, then we'll keep going like lower. If not, we'll go going higher. What I wouldn't do, just set buy limit order here and target 1-to-1. That's it. I recently like found out that when you like take 1-to-1 on high win rate setups, more likely you will be like scammed, or so you securing a guaranteed profit like for you. Yes, like 1-to-2, like 1-to-3, it's okay to take, but if you have like high win rate and like following like consistent rules, your risk management like perfect. I'm talking about you risk is the same amount every time. So for example, I'm not doing like this. Here I'm gonna risk like 0.5% or like 1%. Here I'm gonna like risk like 0.25%, etc. etc. No, like just 0.5% on every trade, on 0.25% on every trade, if you want to be a conservative trader. That's it. Yeah, what we're gonna do, I will use like some paper trading here. Okay, and what we're gonna do here is just open some trade. It's a paper trading, by the way. Limit, stop limit. Okay, like 16,352. Okay, let's say like we're risking like 1k USD, right? It's like more, it's 1%. It's gonna be like 10 contracts. Stop loss 16.2.5. Just like paper trading, I won't open like, I wouldn't open like real trade here without confirmation, because I need confirmation. Yeah, that's it. It's like paper trading here. So I just like want to show you like how it works, and yeah, don't forget to hit like button, guys. I just like want to show you how I set up like trades on my MT4 and MT5 platform. This is like what I usually do. Same, like for example, it wasn't gold. Trading gold was like here. I showed it like to one of my friends how to use like the strategy specifically. Yes, we had this market shift here, as you can see. But if I would just open like trade right away on this like fair value gap that we had on 15 minutes after market shift right here, I would have like taken like stop. That's all. Because as you can see, we went like down like still. And what happened here, it's just like range, because gold like range, and we have equal lows right here, and it was news, and gold just like went down hard. What I should have like done here, just like put aggressive limit order, maybe like 0.25% risk. Sipping. Let's see. Ah, it's a T. Come on. I just want to show you one thing. This is, by the way, temperature in my city right now. This is like Celsius. This is Fahrenheit. So I'm sorry. Like even like it was a heating. It's kind of cold. And probably at night I will have minus 26, 28 here. It's a freaking fucking cold here. So this is a trade that I took on the gold on the last week on Friday. Buy limit order right here, fair water gap. Because if we're gonna go lower this like fair water gap, it's over. That's it. This was my trade. I set like buy stop limit order, and my target was like 1-to-1. This breaker. That's all. That's it. Also, like recently, Flux chart like gave me their new indicator about like price action. I don't like when chart became dirty. I even like don't like this Asian London like AM PM session, but I have to use it to like save some time and not like mark everything by myself. But if you're using ICD strategy, you can use like this indicator. It goes like price action toolkit by Flux chart. Historic zones, like it's fair value gaps, like order block, breaker blocks, equal high, equal lows, and also the most important like to me, it's like daily, weekly, and monthly lows and highs. So if you want, you can just get this indicator. I don't remember like if it's free or not. So it's kind of a useful tool. You can and at least you can get it, not because this like two indicators that I'm using for sessions. You cannot get it. It's a private indicators. It's a custom one. So about now let's talk about like DXI. For DXI, we just like tested this fair water gap, and right now we had a break of market structure and market shift. If we update this low, we'll go lower. But if it just like, because the thing is, we could be like in the range. We had like test of this deviation, which is extremely bullish for me. We can like stuck on the range like for a bit. I cannot be sure if we're in range. I just can't because as DXI I can't use like some extra tools as a volume. But probably we'll have test of this of the middle of this range, and then we'll keep going higher. Again, I have to see how how it works, because and how week will open. Because like some like daily open, like weekly open levels are very important in the trading. You can see how like weekly open played out like previous week. I showed it on a daily. It was on SPY, yeah. So on the SPY, I showed to Lunar how daily open is important when you trade. Yeah, I just want to show you this and why daily open is so important. So as you can see, like price been consolidating around like daily open in Asian and London session. Then we had manipulation to grab liquidity from previous daily low, from this low, because most of the traders, if they're trading on a 4-hour and daily time frames, they put their stops on the previous daily lows. They just like moving their stop and build it with it. And price will be consolidating here. I'm going on a low time frame, consolidating under daily open with market shift. So it's a clear sign that you have to open long position here with the target London highs and one-to-one trade. You can go higher and aim for these highs, like this equal highs, but as I was saying, one-to-one is like perfect to me. And this is what happened. That's all I booked my profit, or at least like half of it. And I moved like my take a bit. This is equal highs, and if I remember correctly, it wasn't. It hasn't been taken. That's it. But at least it was like 1 to 2 trade, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So you could like book like nice profit here. But as I was saying, you can see how daily open plays out like really well. So it's just like strategy with market shift, consolidation, and so basically it's more like price action and like time. And you should know price action, have like some experience in it, plus you have to watch like a shit ton of like charts and do like a shit ton of big tests. But the thing is, you don't need like any indicators like to like trade like this. And it's just a consolidation under like daily open with market shift with PDL rate. So for me, I was like waiting for some kind of raid, like previous daily low, and then market shift, and also like price being considered the whole like Asian and London session. So like for me, I don't like trade indexes in any session except New York session, AM, PM session. That's all. Usually like AM. Because for PM session, you can see it. You have to consider also like lunch, right? And you have to consider like previous session as well. So like to me, I can see some zones here, especially this fair value gap. But it's not 3 minutes, but let's say like 3 minutes, right? Actually, go to like 5 minutes, no, 10 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, we have this fair value gap. We also have like this highs, this lunch highs, and like some build of liquidity. Probably we'll be testing this fair value gap and then going lower. We'll see. Nah, we just like went lower. That's it. It just didn't test this fair value gap, but on the next day, we took and closed all of these fair value gaps. Let me see, it's like 30 minutes. No, like this, and we had like perfect reaction out of it. Every like this like fair value gaps will be like tested, and we'll give like some reaction. So you have to pay attention on them. So Let's go back to Euro. Euro has the same picture as the XI. We had a reaction of this like fair value gap, so I'm still bearish on it. But again, I want to see how week will open. What we have here, we just like took equal lows, but we still have some zones left. We have this 4 hours fair value gap, and we have like a liquidity here. So we can here, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe we went into range. I want to see how it will play out here, especially if we're gonna go higher. If we like turn around here, probably we will stuck in the range. Let me see. Yeah, it's a range. Let's mark. Тебя все слышат, Настюш? Sorry, my wife was chatting. Women, huh? Yeah, so this range we had like 2 deviations, this one and this one. So we have like 2 options here. 2 options. First option, we will go lower and then heading higher, or we will go down from here. By looking at the XI, that like completely has completely like opposite picture. I would say I will wait. I will wait to get like more information, because like for now I don't know, because it can like have a couple more deviations. It can go up and then go down and have something like this. It can have like up to like 3 deviations on each side, from like top to bottom, like 3 times. So I would wait and see how it goes. Okay, what I can do also just like set sell like stop limit order right here and just play breakout. Same I can do like with this one. If it break out this this level, more likely we will go to take all this liquidity. So we don't have like news for next like 3 days. Price also can like stuck in this range and being in as fuck. But I like Euro because you can just go to like 1 minute time frame and just fucking like trade it. We have like market shift right here, right? Well, this is like market shift, this one. What I can do is just open like short position with this my take and take to 1-to-1. That's fucking it. On Euro you can trade like even like on seconds, and you have like a good good trades. That's it. Just like open like 1 minute time frame in like 30 seconds and just trade. British pound, Audi, the same picture. About gold, I don't fucking clue what is going on. In gold, we're in a range. Gold loves ranges, and thing is like you cannot like trade properly in range, right? Keep it in mind. Indexes, this is what I was saying. We select set stop limit order, just like to test it. And SPY, the same picture. Also, I give you like one good trade on Apple. So if we're gonna hire this, so you're gonna be like your trade on the Apple. Let's have a look on Tesla. I know Lunar loves Tesla. Oh my god, it looks like dirty as fuck. Have like this like trend line, and the price been respecting it. We'll see what we'll have like on earnings, which is in like 4 days, like 2.5 weeks. We'll see if we have like breakout of this like trend right here. Price will like skyrocket. You can play like breakout here. It's like will be like 50% gain. If it does, oh my god, guy will be happy. How long will it take? Like half a year probably. But I expect like price to fuck around like here, like this, and then break out like after like 2-3 months of consolidation. The most important thing that shouldn't happen, it's break of this level, but I don't think it will ever happen. This one. If we have break market structure here, more likely we will update this low or this one. No. Well, this is like trade that I had on a Tesla. See, it's been respecting like technical analysis like really well. Just like remember, you have like Tesla, you have Apple, you have AMD, you have Microsoft. You don't need to trade anything else. Also, if you want to trade like Dow, you have Johnson & Johnson, which is like clearing on uptrend. We've been testing parabolic gap here. Keep in mind we have like earnings, and the target will be this parabolic gap on a daily time frame. So this is trade. I probably will alert this trade. This one. One to two, or like at least like 1 to 1, just like to get like this liquidity. That's it. But I'm pretty sure we will hit this level. Just this volume failure gap. Okay. Anyway, if you have like any questions, feel free to ask. I will be here like for a few more minutes. Also, don't forget to like the stream and hit subscribe button. We also have the Discord where we share our ideas. We'll have a huge update on Discord soon. I have like few good thing coming. Hope you will like it. Biden plans, we have like start going to like VIP where we'll post more trades, and it will be high win rate trades that I showed you on gold, on Nasdaq. It's like we're more focusing on that, because as you can understand, nothing free in this world. Plus we spend a lot of time, and we should like take something back to grow up like this project, because we put like a lot of time, money and effort in this project, and we want something back. But trust me, I won't like take this money to buy like food or something. No, it will go all go back like into growing. Yeah, something like this. Something like this. I also like consider start to trade like some options, but I haven't been like trading it like for years, and I still have some thoughts about it. I think like I want to like trade options like by using like one strategy like I really like it, called wheel. It's basically you hedging your shares. For example, I have 100 shares, so one contract of, let's say, Apple. Right, so I have like 100 shares of Apple. What I want to do, I bought them, let's say here, right, 172. Let's say I bought it at 170. I'm a cool guy. I wanna hedge like these shares, 100 shares of Apple. What I'm doing, I sell. You always sell. You never like buy any puts or calls. You always sell. So if I wanna, let me remember. Translate in my head. So if I buy call, and wait, if I buy put, I'm obligated to buy 100. Yeah, so I sell like put, right? So I expect price to go higher to make money, and let's say like price. So I need to look. Remember this in my head. So let's do this way. So we have puts and call, right? When I'm buying call, so it's a buy, this is sell. When I'm buying call, yeah, thank you, man. When I'm buying call, right, I'm expecting price to go up. When I'm selling call, I'm expecting price to go down. When I'm buying put, I expect price to go down. When I'm selling put, I expect the price to go up. So when I bought a call, I obligated to buy 100 shares. When I sell call, I am obligated to sell 100 shares. So in this case, no, it's still not right. When I'm buying like put, I'm obligated to sell 100 shares. When I'm selling, I'm obligated to buy 100 shares. So what I'm gonna do, it's just like buy puts here. No, like I wanna like I'm gonna like sell puts here, and what's the second? Yeah, I'm gonna sell puts here. I'm gonna set puts here. If price like hit my my level, so let's say like here, right? If price like hits this level, what I'm gonna do? Okay, I'm okay to buy 100 shares of Apple here. Well, and I buy them with a discount. So let's say my strike price 170. And I also have a commission, let's say like $2,000. So it's usually about like 5-10% of discount of original price. I'm okay to have like 100 shares of Apple with this strike price. Plus, I have a commission. If it doesn't hit my my price, I'm booking profit. Plus, I have a commission. That's it. Same you're doing like with the calls. You just like setting contracts right here. You just like setting them, and if price doesn't hit this level, you put in like your strike price like a bit like above like zones. So right here. So what you're gonna do? If it doesn't hit your level, you book a commission. If it hits your level, you're okay of selling like 100 shares at this price because you bought it on 170. And this is what you're playing. If like price stuck in range like this one, and goes up and down, only thing that you have to do is just like book some profit and like set orders every like 2-3 months. That's it. And your share is not just like sitting like and do nothing. You just like booking profit and to get a commission by 100 every 100 shares you have. You're booking like some good profit, like 2 to 5k, depends on your premium. That's it. I have to like reveal this information. It's been like a while when I've been like trading options, but this strategy works well. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you like in Discord, and see you in the middle of the week where I will be live trading.